here now. Hey, listen, if you are having problems with clients no showing, late canceling, family members coming in and taking stock off your shelves and not paying for it, oh, I'll catch you later, girl, and then they never do, yada yada, all the whole host of problems that makes you want to just kind of quit the business. If that's you and you're having those problems, let me tell you what the deal is. It's because you haven't set healthy boundaries, because you don't know how to set healthy boundaries. So this is something you're going to have to work on, because we normally as women are not taught to set healthy boundaries as small children. We're taught to be people pleasers. You go along to get along. And when your mindset is like that for your whole life, this is when those problems manifest in the salon, with clients disrespecting you and family members not taking your job seriously, because that product on the shelves costs you money. They need to pay for it straight up. My family, I got them on check. They would not even pick up a bottle of polish off of my shelf to look at the ingredients unless they asked me first if it was okay or we discussed it. Those are the types of healthy boundaries that you have to work on setting bit by bit, and it's not going to happen fast. It's not going to happen overnight. But you, as the business owner, you are the one in charge of your own business for now and forever. So you have to set those healthy boundaries. So I suggest either reading some books on setting healthy boundaries, watching videos, anything like that, reading articles that you can get to help you overcome that fear that you don't have the right to stand up for yourself. Because I promise you, this is something that will follow you through your entire life, with relationship after relationship, relationships with spouses, relationships with lovers, relationships with family, children. It's all the same thing. Once you learn how to set those healthy boundaries, your life gets so much better, because first off, you don't care if they think you're a bitch. It's fine, let them think it. You know what? The way I taught myself, bit by bit, when I was in my 20s, I figured it this way. If between me and you, if one of us is gonna go away unhappy, bitter, and angry, I'd rather it be you, not me. So I learned how to set those healthy boundaries, because boundaries are very healthy. It's a healthy state of being. And once you learn bit by bit, do a little boundary here, a little boundary there, start learning how to say no. No does not make you a bad person. No puts the boundary and sets it in a healthy respect, because if you don't want to do something, you shouldn't agree to doing it. You can always say, let me think about that and I'll get back to you. That was my way of doing it, might work for you. That put some distance between me and the person asking me to do something I didn't really want to do. So it put the distance, so then later I could get back to them and be like, text, no, I thought about it and really don't want to do it. Have fun, whatever. That's the way you can start, little by little by little, and take those baby steps to standing up for yourself, because in the end, nobody can walk all over you like a rug unless you lay down and let them. Peace out now, Tex.